Transferring money from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions. To begin, ensure you have a Crypto.com account and a Phantom Wallet set up. First, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Accounts page. Here, you will see a list of all your available cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Solana, and click on the Withdraw button next to it. Next, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Open your Phantom Wallet and click on the Receive button. This will display your wallet address, which you should copy and paste into the recipient's address field on Crypto.com. Before confirming the transaction, double-check that the wallet address is correct, as incorrect addresses can result in lost funds. Also, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Crypto.com account to cover the transaction amount and any applicable fees. After verifying the details, confirm the transaction on Crypto.com. The transfer process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion and the speed of the blockchain. Once the transaction is confirmed, log into your Phantom Wallet to verify that the funds have been received. You can do this by checking your wallet balance or viewing the transaction history. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so it is crucial to exercise caution when transferring funds. Always double-check the recipient's wallet address and ensure you are using the correct network, such as the Solana network for Phantom Wallet. In conclusion, transferring money from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet is a simple process that requires attention to detail and basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions. By following these steps and exercising caution, you can securely transfer your funds and start using your Phantom Wallet.